Today, Matt and I have got a couple of peach yogurts that we're going to try out. There's your peach yogurt. There's your spoon.
Perfect.
Get the spoons unwrapped. Open up the yogurt. Peel it right off on the top there. That's what it looks like. So I eat this all the time. It's my favorite flavor. So there aren't going to be any surprises here, but I felt it's time we did a video on it. These are not quite fat-free, but they're low. They're, I guess, could be considered low-fat. And there is no law that says you couldn't put some sort of accoutrement to top this off. Use your imagination, but maybe some fat-free whipped cream or some whatever you think goes with the peach flavor. You could add to it. I like them just the way they are.
I like peach, but it's a bit of a sweeter yogurt, for sure.
Definitely. And it's something that if you're in a hurry, this is something you can just reach in the fridge, grab it out, unpeel it, spoon it in.
I think this would go great with granola. And yeah, I'm a big fan of the peach flavor too, so again, not a whole lot of surprise for me, but yeah, I've got to hand it to Friendly Farms. They made a good product.
And I usually purchase this at, call out the name, at Aldi's. Got my free spot. And it comes in other flavors. I think blueberry and
Watermelon.
strawberry, and sometimes depending upon what store you go to, it might have this and the blueberry. And I always mix it out, so they are mixed to begin with, and I always take the ones that I don't want out and buy them 12 at a time. Then I'll reach back and put the peach ones in there. That's the way I do it.
Yeah, very good overall. I'd give it an 8 out of 10.
There you have it, folks.